Solve the fractional equation x squared over 3 plus 48 over x squared equals 10x over 3 minus 40 over x. This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further, and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving the specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player. The denominators contain the variable x, so x doesn't equal 0. This means we can multiply both sides of the equation by x. An intuitive approach to solving the equation is to multiply both sides of the equation by 3x squared, so that we would have an equation that doesn't involve fractions. This isn't incorrect. However, this process of solving the equation is complicated. Is there a simpler approach to solving the equation? The two terms on the left-hand side of the equation contain either x squared or its reciprocal. The two terms on the right-hand side of the equation contain either x or its reciprocal. Noticing this is vital to finding a simpler approach for this case. We use these patterns to develop a simpler approach to solving the problem. Multiply both sides of equation 1 by 3x squared. We have x to the power of 4 plus 144 equals 10x cubed minus 120x. Rearranging this equation, we have x to the power of 4 minus 10x cubed plus 120x plus 144 equals 0. How to solve equation 2? The rational root theorem states a polynomial equation an x to the power of n plus an minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus so on plus a0 equals 0. Coefficients ai are in the set of integers. A0 and an are not equal to 0. Rational solution x equals p over q satisfies p is an integer factor of the constant term a0. Q is an integer factor of the leading coefficient an. According to the rational root theorem, For equation 2, possible rational solution x equals p over q satisfies p is an integer factor of 144. Q is an integer factor of 1. Integer factors of 144 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, plus minus 8, plus minus 12, and so on. So possible rational solutions of equation 2 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, plus minus 8, plus minus 12, and so on. Substitute each of these in equation 2. We find that x equals minus 2 and x equals 6 are the solutions. So x to the power of 4 minus 10x cubed plus 120x plus 144 equals 0 can be written as x plus 2 times x minus 6 times x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. By expanding equation 3 or by polynomial long division, you can find that b equals minus 6, c equals minus 12. For x squared minus 6x minus 12 equals 0. X equals 6 plus minus root of 36 plus 4 times 12 over 2, which is equal to 3 plus minus root of 21. They all satisfy the original equation, equation 1. So the solutions of equation 1 are x equals minus 2, x equals 6, x equals 3 plus root 21, x equals 3 minus root 21. The right-hand side of equation 1 equals 10x over 3 minus 40 over x. The two terms have a common factor, 10. So we can write 10 times x over 3 minus 4 over x. The left-hand side of equation 1 equals x squared over 3 plus 48 over x squared. We can write x squared over 3 as 3x squared over 9. We can write 48 over x squared as 3 times 16 over x squared. By completing the square, we have 3 times x over 3 minus 4 over x all squared plus 8. So equation 1 becomes 3 times x over 3 minus 4 over x all squared plus 8 equals 10 times x over 3 minus 4 over x. Let x over 3 minus 4 over x equal y. We then have 3y squared plus 8 equals 10y. Rearranging, we have 3y squared minus 10y plus 8 equals 0. Y equals 10 plus minus root of 100 minus 4 times 3 times 8 over 6 equals 10 plus minus 2 over 6. So y1 equals 2, y2 equals 4 over 3. Substitute y in equation 4. We have x over 3 minus 4 over x equals 2. Or x over 3 minus 4 over x equals 4 over 3. For x over 3 minus 4 over x equals 2, we have x squared minus 6x minus 12 equals 0. X equals 6 plus minus root of 36 plus 48 over 2. So x1 equals 3 plus root 21. X2 equals 3 minus root 21. For x over 3 minus 4 over x equals 4 over 3. We have x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. X plus 2 times x minus 6 equals 0. So x3 equals 6. x4 equals minus 2. They all satisfy the original equation, equation 1. So the solutions of equation 1 are x equals minus 2, x equals 6, x equals 3 plus root 21, x equals 3 minus root 21. Think about the thought process of the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems, such as this one, given root of 25 minus x squared minus root of 15 minus x squared equals 2. Find 40 minus 2x squared. You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. Can you think of other problems that can be solved using a similar approach. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.